At number 1, we have the Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max, the best overall electric scooter for 2026, offering exceptional performance that balances range, power, and comfort. With up to 40 miles on a single charge, it handles real-world commutes effortlessly, even up steep 22-degree slopes. The 10-inch self-sealing tires absorb bumps beautifully and provide a short-term puncture fix if you hit debris. And the sturdy frame folds easily for storage or transport, making it ideal for daily use. Features like a bright headlight and solid build make it perfect for city streets or weekend adventures. A top seller for commuters who want a versatile, low-maintenance e-scooter that outperforms the competition. This is the ultimate all-around choice.
At number 2, we have the Gotrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. This is the ultimate lightweight solution for urban commuters. Its compact, foldable design is perfect for public transport in small spaces. Powered by a 250W motor, it reaches a top speed of 15.5 mph with a range of up to 12 miles. Stay in control with the big LED display and convenient cruise control feature. With solid, never-flat tires and a reliable build, it's perfect for short to medium commutes. Users love its affordability and ease of use, making it a consistent bestseller for value-seeking riders.
At number 3, we have the Segway Ninebot E3 Pro, a durable commuter built for the city with a 20 mph top speed and a massive 34-mile range. Glide over any bump with dual suspension, powered by an efficient 800W motor. Don't let the weather stop you. Its IPX5 water resistance is ready for any conditions. Ride with confidence day or night with a powerful headlight and vibrant underboard lighting. And when you reach your destination, it folds up compactly for easy carrying. The Segway Ninebot E3 Pro, your ultimate urban ride.
At number 4, we have the Gotrax Adult Electric Scooter with seat, the ultimate bestseller for getting around in style and comfort. Say goodbye to bumpy rides. Its cushioned seat and wider deck make every trip a comfortable one. With a powerful 500W motor, it zips you around town at up to 20 mph and conquers inclines with ease. Run errands with a handy rear basket and go the distance with a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. It's the practical, fun alternative to bikes and public transit. Just hop on and go. Ready to upgrade your commute? The Gotrax Adult Electric Scooter is your ticket to convenience. Get yours today.
At number 5, we have the Razor Electric Scooter. The E200 series is a nostalgic classic, perfect for teens and beginners wanting a fun, affordable taste of electric mobility. Powered by a 200W motor, it reaches a top speed of 12 mph with a decent 40-minute runtime for short neighborhood rides. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and built for pure fun. Perfect for park rides and casual outings, not long commutes. A reliable, simple, and top-selling choice. The Razor E200 is all about the enjoyment of the ride.